our common denominator. Well, what's our common denominator here? It's just 4. That's it. Every term, remember, you can multiply every term by that 4 right here. Okay? So we multiply this one by 4. We're going to multiply this side by 4. What are we going to get when we do that? Goodbye fraction. Okay? And we get negative 16. That's fine? Ooh, can we leave that? I hope you're going to say no. Let's go ahead and just divide it out by negative 1. Everything's going to work out perfectly fine now. Negative divided by negative is 16. We're good to go. Ordered pair, 16, 0. Okay. Y-intercept. This one should be easy. Remember, what do we have to do? Substitute in for the opposite value with a 0 or cover up the opposite value. I'm going to plug in 0 into x. What times 0 times anything is what? That's right, 0. What are you left with? Positive 4. Ordered pair. Now we just got to plot. All right, so let's do that. Okay, let's take a look. Remember, I can't fit this on this little thing, so I made another coordinate plane. So let's go ahead and do that. So what points are we using? We're using 16, 0. And we're using 0, 4. Okay, so let's go ahead and plot those. Starting at my origin, okay, we're going to go over 16. I may have to even move this. Okay. Simple fix, no worries. Okay. Let's count out 16. A lot of counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Don't need to go up or down. That's my x-intercept. My y-intercept is 0, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Do I have a line? Of course I do. Okay. We have 2 points. Just connect them and you are finished. Okay. All right. You are going to try some problems, okay, by finding the x and y intercept and graphing them. Alright guys, so now that I showed you how to find x and y intercepts, I want you to apply it to these try problems. This is the first one in standard form. Go ahead and try this. Remember, pause, try it, and then come back for the explanation. Alright guys, to find your x-intercept and your y-intercept, once again, it's up to you which way you like to do it, covering it up or plugging in. I'm going to actually cover up on this one. How's that? We'll split it. So I have 6x minus y equals negative 3. I want to find my x-intercept. I cover up y. I see that it's 6x minus equals negative 3. How do I get x by itself? I divide by 6. Okay, I get negative 0.5. I like to leave it as a decimal because I can graph it better. Okay, done. I have my ordered pair. Once again, covering up. Now I'm trying to find my y-intercept, so I want to get rid of my x value. Cover it up. What do I see? Negative y equals negative 3. Okay, what's in between the negative and y is a negative 1. How do we get rid of it? Divide. Now you're left with a positive 3. 0, 3. Plot it. Negative 5, 0. 0, 3. Got a line. Draw it. And you're done. Okay. One more try problem for you guys. Remember, look this over, pause it, work it out, and then come back for the explanation. All right, x and y values. So in the first try, I did covering up. This one, I'm going to substitute in 0. Okay, if I want my x-intercept, I plug 0 into my y. So it looks like this. can get rid of my fraction now if I really wanted to. It's up to you. How about we do that? Since we're in, we want to get rid of our fractions. What do I have to multiply every term by? 4. To everything. 0 times 4 is 0. Now you wipe out your fraction, and that will give you 12. Okay. Let's go ahead and subtract 12 from both sides. Divide by 3. X equals -4. And you're done. Okay, substituting in to get my y-intercept, I'm going to substitute 0 into x. Zero times anything is 0. You're left with y equals 3. 0, 3 is your y-intercept. Okay, plot those points. -4, 0, and 0, 3. Okay. Make your line, and you're finished. Okay, so let's review what we did today. I showed you 2 ways of graphing, one with the intercepts and one by making a table. Both. Will they work? Absolutely. Am I forcing you to graph it one way? No. Okay, this is like a toolbox. I'm putting all the tools into your toolbox, and whichever one you want to use, you can use. Okay, so if you like to make tables, do tables. If you like to use x and y intercepts, use x and y intercepts. Okay, you have the knowledge now. It's which way you want to use it. Okay, so that's pretty much it for this lesson. Once again, make sure that you're doing this homework, you're attempting the homework. Okay, guys? All right, bye.